Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone looking to take control of their finances: budgeting. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just someone wanting to manage their money better, this video is for you. So let's get started with Budgeting 101, the ultimate guide to managing your money. First things first, what exactly is budgeting? Simply put, budgeting is the process of creating a plan to manage your income and expenses. It helps you understand where your money is going, so you can make informed decisions about your spending and saving. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and find opportunities to save more. A budget is your roadmap to financial success. Think of it as a GPS for your money. It guides you to your financial goals. Now you might be wondering, why should I bother budgeting? Here are a few key reasons. 1. Control over your finances. Budgeting gives you control over your money, allowing you to prioritize your spending and save for future goals. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of where your money goes. 2. Avoiding debt. By keeping track of your expenses, you can avoid overspending and falling into debt. It's like having a safety net that prevents you from making impulsive financial decisions. 3. Achieving financial goals. Whether you want to save for a vacation, a new car, or retirement, budgeting helps you allocate funds toward those goals. It transforms your dreams into actionable plans. 4. Peace of mind. Knowing where your money is going can reduce financial stress and give you peace of mind. You'll feel more secure and confident in your financial decisions. 5. Building wealth. A good budget can help you build wealth over time. By saving and investing wisely, you can create a brighter financial future. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to create a budget. Here's a simple step-by-step process. 1. Track your income. Start by listing all sources of income, including your salary, side hustles, and any other earnings. Don't forget to account for irregular income like bonuses or freelance work. 2. List your expenses. Next, categorize your expenses into fixed, like rent and utilities, and variable, like groceries and entertainment. This will help you see where your money is going each month. 3. Set financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve financially, whether it's saving for a trip, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Write these goals down to keep them top of mind. 4. Create your budget. Using your income and expense data, create a budget that allocates funds to each category. Remember to include savings as a priority. A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 20% of your income to go towards savings. 5. Monitor and adjust. Finally, regularly review your budget and adjust it as needed. Life changes, and so should your budget. If you find you're consistently overspending in one category, it might be time to reevaluate. Section 4. Budgeting methods. There are several budgeting methods you can choose from. Here are a few popular ones. 1. Zero-based budgeting. Every dollar you earn is assigned a specific purpose, so your income minus expenses equals zero. This method forces you to think critically about every dollar you spend. 2. The 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This method is simple and easy to follow, making it great for beginners. 3. The envelope system. Use cash for different spending categories, placing cash in envelopes to limit your spending. Once the cash is gone, you can't spend any more in that category for the month. 4. The pay yourself. First method. This method prioritizes savings by automatically transferring a set amount to your savings account before you pay any bills. It ensures you're saving consistently. Section 5. Tips for successful budgeting. Here are some tips to help you stick to your budget. 1. Be realistic. Set achievable goals and don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Remember, budgeting is a learning process. 2. Use budgeting tools. Consider using apps or spreadsheets to track your budget easily. Tools like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or even a simple Excel sheet can make a big difference. 3. Review regularly. Check your budget weekly or monthly to ensure you're on track. This will help you catch any overspending early on. 4. Celebrate small wins. Reward yourself for sticking to your budget, even if it's just a small treat. Celebrating your progress can keep you motivated. 5. Involve your family. If you share finances with a partner or family, involve them in the budgeting process. This creates accountability and ensures everyone is on the same page. 6. Stay flexible. Life happens. Be prepared to adjust your budget as needed. If unexpected expenses arise, don't panic. Just reallocate funds from other categories. Section 6. Common budgeting mistakes to avoid. Now let's talk about some common budgeting mistakes to avoid. 1. Not tracking expenses. Failing to track your expenses can lead to overspending. Make it a habit to log every purchase, no matter how small. 2. Setting unrealistic goals. Setting goals that are too ambitious can lead to frustration. Start small and gradually increase your savings targets. 3. Ignoring irregular expenses. Don't forget to account for irregular expenses like car maintenance or annual subscriptions. These can sneak up on you if you're not prepared. 4. Being too rigid. While it's important to stick to your budget, being too strict can lead to burnout. Allow for some flexibility in your spending. 5. Not reviewing your budget. Failing to review your budget regularly can lead to missed opportunities for savings. Make it a habit to check in on your budget at least once a month. Conclusion. And there you have it. Budgeting doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right approach, you can take control of your finances and work towards your financial goals. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It takes time to find what works best for you, so be patient with yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and share your budgeting experiences in the comments below. What budgeting methods have worked for you? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, happy budgeting.